after today's class, it looks like we need to review a little bit more on how to use the base 10 model to divide a decimal by a whole number. So I'm going to go through some of the examples that we did in class today. You will need a pencil and paper so that you can do this with me. Okay, so we're going to start off with 45 divided by 5. And this was the example on today's classwork. I can represent 45 divided by 5 using lines to represent my tens place and dots to represent my hundredths place. So I've got 4 tenths and I have 5 hundredths. And I want to divide them into 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I look at this, I can see that I have 5 hundredths. So I can go ahead and place those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can cross those out. But I don't have enough tenths. So I need to trade in my tenths for 40 hundredths. So I'm going to trade in my 4 tenths for 40 hundredths. And I know that 40 divided by 5, think about it, 40 divided by 5 is going to give me 8. So I'm going to put 8 more hundredths in each circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now my answer is going to be the number of hundredths I have in each of my groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is going to be 9 hundredths. Because I have dots in my groups, not lines. So each little dot represents 1 hundredth. All right, now we'll do a bigger problem. Let's do 6 and 4 tenths divided by 8. So I'm going to represent my wholes by using squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have 4 tenths, and those are going to be represented by lines. And I want to divide those into 8 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, messy, sorry. Now I can see here that I don't have 8 of anything. So what I'm going to need to do is take my 6 wholes and I'm going to trade them in for tenths. So 6 wholes would be equal to 60 tenths. So I'm going to trade those in for tenths, and I'm going to see how far I can go. I know that 60 divided by 8 is going to give me a little bit more than 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put 7 in each group. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 times 8 gives me 56. So I have 56 tenths accounted for. So that leaves me 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if I look at all of my tenths left over here, I have this 4 tenths from the problem, and then I have the extra 4 hundredths left from when I traded in. So I have a total of 8 more tenths left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I just need to count the number of tenths I have in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 and 4 tenths divided by 8 is equal to 8 tenths. All right, let's try another one. Let's try 35 hundredths divided by 7. Go ahead and press pause, and when you're ready to check your answer, press play. Okay, so here I need 7 groups. So I have 7 groups, and I want to take 35 hundredths and divide it up into 7 groups. So I can represent 35 hundredths using 3 tenths and 5 hundredths. Now I don't have 7 of anything, so I need to take this 3 tenths and I need to turn it into 30 hundredths. So I'm going to take my 30 hundredths and go ahead and divide them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now I have 2 hundredths left. I'm going to put them up here. So now I'm going to count my total number of hundredths I have left. So I had 5 hundredths from the problem, and then I had 2 left over from when I traded in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have enough to give each group 1 more hundredth. So when I count the hundredths in each group, I have a total of 5 hundredths in each group. So 5 hundredths would be my answer. Okay, next let's try 1 and 68 hundredths divided by 3. Go ahead and press pause and work this out on your own, and then press play to check your answer. So I can represent 1 and 68 hundredths by using a square to represent 1, 6 lines to represent 6 tenths, and 8 dots to represent my hundredths. And I want to divide this up into 3 groups. Well, first off, I notice that I only have 1 whole, so I can't do anything with that. So I'm going to have to trade this whole in. And I'm going to trade it in for 10 tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have a total of 16 tenths and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundredths. So let's go ahead and partition out the tenths that I can. So I have 16. So I know I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that gets rid of this, and this, but then I have 1 left over. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to trade it in for 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have a total of 18 hundredths here. And I can take these 18 hundredths and split them up into my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this leaves me with an answer of, I've got 5 tenths in each group, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. So my answer would be 56 hundredths. All right, I'm going to put 3 more problems on the screen here, and your assignment is to solve the next 3 problems on notebook paper and turn them into me. So 3 and 12 hundredths divided by 6, 3 and 84 hundredths divided by 4, and 7 tenths divided by 5. So go ahead and write those problems down and solve them using the base 10 method on notebook paper. And then you'll turn those into me.